Google search is kinda dead because most queries are now answered in the AI overview at the top. So for your brand, it's important to know if you show up there, because if not, you are not really relevant anymore. In this video, we will build an automation that tracks a list of search queries and sends us a daily report if our brand or URL is mentioned in the AI overview. This will work with any AI agent like OpenClaw, Hermes or N8N. And in this video, we will set up everything together. I will even give you the prompts for copy pasting. We will install a tool that gives our AI agent access to Google's AI overview. And then I'll show you some other cool things you can do with this tool. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. I use OpenClaw in this video, but this will work with any AI agent. The problem is, by default, AI agents can't access the AI overview in the Google search. Let's give this a try. Search Google for AI tools and tell me what the AI overview says. Now we get an answer back, but this answer is actually wrong because this didn't run in actual Google search. It searched via Perplexity, so this is not what we asked for. To fix this and give our AI agent access to the data we actually care about, we will use Scavio. If you use OpenClaw, you can just search ClawHub for Scavio and you will find a bunch of different skills for different platforms like Reddit, X, LinkedIn, Amazon, pretty much everything. You can install as many of them as you want. In this video we need the Scavio Google skill in particular because this contains the AI overview, but I recommend just installing all of them because then you can let your agent search all these platforms. So click on install on all the skills you want to use. If you're not using OpenClaw, no problem, you can install Scavio for any AI agent. They also have an MCP server and an API that you can call directly. Use whatever fits your agent. There are instructions here in the documentation. Then we need a Scavio account. I will put a link to it into the video description below. Go ahead, click it and create your account here. Then we need to create an API key. So we click on API keys, create new key, set it up, copy it. Now I'm hosting my OpenClaw instance on Hostinger. They have environment variables, which is a secure way to store your secrets. So here I have the Scavio API key and my agent can access it. But if you have no clue about environment variables and you don't want to deal with this stuff, you can also just paste the API key into the chat and tell your AI agent to configure it for you. This will work, it's just not as secure. Now let's set up our AI overview tracker, and I've already prepared a prompt. I will put this prompt into the video description below, you can copy it from there. Create an AI overview tracker cron job that runs every day. Checks if my brand name or URL show up in the AI overview for the queries listed below, and then we want to get a report. I also told it to use the Scavio endpoints, and at the bottom we have the brand name, the URL and the queries I want to track. AI tools directory, AI tool corner and so on. I want to know if my brand AI tool corner shows up for any of these queries. So copy the whole prompt into OpenClaw and just send it. We will also take a look at the other available endpoints in a moment. And now our agent gets to work, it reads the appropriate Scavio skills and sets up this cron job. So the cron job is configured. We will take a look at the generated report in a moment. First, let's check out the cron job the agent generated. There's our AI overview tracker. This will run every day at 8 AM and the query itself is contained in this Python script that the agent set up. And this is how these reports can look. Of course, you can tell your agent to format it differently or include different information. Just tell your AI agent in the chat. So we got a match for this query, AI tool corner as expected because this is literally my brand name. We didn't get a match for these other queries because my channel is not popular enough yet. But for the query that we matched, we get an excerpt of what exactly was mentioned in there. So this video here was mentioned, the channel itself, some other videos, and here we get the links that were included. And those are up-to-date results from today. They are not pre-scraped. Scavio scrapes them the moment you actually run the query. It just handles bot protection and captures for you. There are a ton of other platforms available through Scavio with many different endpoints that you can query, different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, even X. You can fetch post and profile information, almost everything. We can even search Amazon, all through a single API. You just have to install the appropriate skills like I showed you in the beginning of this video. And I have more tutorials where we use these different endpoints for some cool use cases in the video description below, so check them out as well. The link to Scavio is in the video description below. You get free credits when you sign up, no credit card required, so give it a try. And then check out this end card here next, where we use Scavio to build a cool social media competitor tracker. You don't want to miss this.